Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you very easy and effective way to draw a face or head. Head is very important, and as an artist we all want to draw a right head when we are drawing sketching, and it is very important also. As we all know that head drawing or face drawing is first impression or first gesture of body, and in drawing if we get the head right, rest is all okay. If you're drawing something in your drawing, like if you have drawing it big one also, if you do the face correct, people will not judge you. Face drawing is where we connect with our viewer. As an artist, as a sketcher, we connect with our audience with the face first time. Okay, then so let's get started. First thing is to keep in mind to keep it very simple. Make it a simple structure. Okay, if we see a head in very simplest way, it can be like this. It can be like this, two eggs. This is simplest structure of a head drawing. If you check your head, there is one skull, one round shape, then one mask to that, like this. A simple structure of simple face in profile. And if we change the direction, let's make it front view. Again a egg, but little round egg. And one more egg. This is how actually the simple head drawing looks. Right? This was the structure. If we start with making simplify, benefit is we can get going. We don't get puzzled. So make it simple at first. This is profile and this is front. Let me make it again. Now I show you how to place eyes, nose, lips every time at the right place. So first, draw a round shape and make a line in center, divide it into, then one more half round. So a face is one round, 1.5 round. In this I will show you method of thirds, dividing in third and placing each thing on its place. First half, second half, and the last third. Ears will come in second. If we divide it in half, here comes eye lines. Eye lines means the bottom of eyes. And divide the third part in half, equal half, we get lower lip. Here will the bottom of the lower lip. It's good to have one center line to get the symmetry. Here will be our bottom lip. And down is chin. And like our face go like this, jaw line. According to the person we do the jaw line. Drawing a half like this is this benefit. Now you can cut the sides. See, we can be getting our face. Ears will be in this part. Ears are always different person to person. And ears play a very good role in perspective also, which we discuss in another video. Here are eyes. This line, here we get bottom of nose, not the tip of the nose but bottom of nose. This method is to just simplify the drawing. As an artist, we always look for the errors. Like this is a measurement of face, but when we draw our particular face, we will see what is different. Like if the nose is very small, then it will go little up. So these all things we notice and do correction. Here will be hairline according to the person. See, it is very simple and you get your perfect face without using a graph or anything. We should practice it as many times as possible. Start with this, then change the features according to the subject.